Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Science Made Easy. Today we are discussing parts of the plant. Parts of the plant. My name is Prof. RSK, and welcome to today's discussion. We'll be looking at plants in general. We'll be looking at the major parts of a plant, but basically we're going to discuss this at a basic level. We're not going to go into advanced parts of the plant. We're just going to discuss this one at a basic level. Before we start, I want you to look at these keywords. Please kindly write these keywords down. Structure, flowering plant, non-flowering plant, anchor, fibrous roots, tap roots, photosynthesis, and chlorophyll. Let's take it again. Structure, flowering plant. Please learn how to spell. Non-flowering plant. Anchor, as in anchorage. Support. Fibrous roots. Tap roots. Photosynthesis. Chlorophyll. All right, so these are our keywords. Please learn how to spell them and then master the spelling. This is what you must know. If you write flowering plant and you write flowering without dots, I without dots, technically in science you'll be marked wrong. Any spelling mistake is wrong. So please be careful when you're spelling. That is why I am giving you these keywords. Learn how to spell them because we are going to use them and then we'll perfect them. Thank you very much. So these are the keywords. Now, when we talk about plants, everybody has seen a plant before. Today, we are going to discuss the basic structure of a plant, the basic structure of a plant. Plants are living things that grow from the soil, it's true. Just like human body, plants have different parts. That is also true. All right, so for us to know the basic parts of a plant and its function, we are going to look at this diagram. Carefully look at the parts. We have the flowers here. You can see the flowers here. You can see the fruits here. We have the leaves here. Others are found here. You can also find leaves here. Now, the part above the soil. Okay, so let me mention the stem before I come to that one. So we have the stem. The part above the soil is the shoot system. So from here to the stem level is the shoot system. And the part below is the root system. So here we have our roots. There are different types of roots, but they are grouped into two, the tap root and the fibrous root. We'll go into detail as we move to the next section of the class. So please, I want you to look at it again. The parts of the plant above the soil level is the shoot system. Please note it. It is a likely examination question. The part above the soil is the shoot system, and the part below the soil is the root system. All right, so take note. And we have also said that plants are living things that grows from the soil. It is true. So if I want to ask a question like this, I will say plants are living things that grow from the soil, true or false? And you agree with me that the answer is true. All right. So let's take a short assignment for this section. We will continue again in our next class. I want you to visit your garden. If you don't have a garden, I want you to visit maybe a place where you can find a plant, uproot one plant, identify the flowers, identify the fruits, identify the leaves, identify the stems, and then also point out the roots. All right, so let me restate the question again. I said, get a plant or uproot a plant, identify the flowers, identify the fruits, identify some leaves. I want you to also point the stem of the plant you have uprooted, and then point the roots of the same plant you uprooted. So this is our project assignment. After you have pointed the flowers, the fruits, and the leaves, kindly draw your plants and indicate the stems or the stem, the leaves or the leaf. So if it is more than one, you can say leaves, plural. If it is just one, it is leaf. Fruit or fruits, and then flower or flowers. After you have identified, please draw it nicely, and you will present it.
Right.
Thank you very much. Tomorrow, in our next section of Science Made Easy, we will discuss the various functions of the parts that we have identified. We will discuss the various functions. The leaves, what do they do? What is the purpose of fruits, flowers, the stem, and the roots? So please understand the project assignment. One is to look for a plant, uproot it. Two, identify the flowers, the leaves, the fruits, the stem, and the roots. After you are done with that, kindly draw the parts or draw the plant and indicate or point out the parts of the plant. Thank you very much. This is where we end today's section of Science Made Easy. Join us in our next class for another section. Thank you. I want to say a big thank you to all parents for this massive support. A big thank you. I am really grateful for the support. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen, for coming. Honorable members, I am grateful having you here. Honorable Cecilia and Kimberly, Evelyn, you are here. Honorable Michael John, you are here. Honorable Clenham, I like the way you mention your surname. Yeah, Asantua is here, leading us to war against every maths question, every science question, breaking all the grounds. Lady Gloria Okanse, you are here. I'm proud to have you in this conference. Abdul Mumin, smart but quiet. I have enjoyed your participation. Inshiraba Osei, you are here. Furiwa, big brain. Jaden Salasi, Honorable Jaden Salasi is here. I have enjoyed your contributions, especially yesterday. Your contributions were awesome. Okay. I want to say a big thank you to you all. Those at home, I want to say a big thank you. My name is still Prof. RSK, and I am in the business of making maths, science, ICT very easy and very, 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 very interesting. Ladies and gentlemen, I want to say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.